Good morning. Today we will do Science Olympiad Class 4 Plants. So let us start questions. So our first question is the needle-like leaves of the given plant dash. So this is the given plant cactus. So first, protect the plant. Second, reduce the rate of water loss. Third, trap more sunlight for photosynthesis. There are options A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. So first, let us see the explanation of this question. So, by shading the cactus, these spines also help prevent the cactus from losing water through evaporation. So, all in all, spines are adaptations that protect and help cactus hide from animals that may want to eat them. They also provide shade for the plant, which keeps them cooler and limits water loss. So this was the explanation of the question. So with this explanation, we learned that the needle-like leaves of the cactus plant protect the plant and reduce the rate of water loss. So our answer would be 1 and 2. Yes, it is correct. Now let us move on to the next question, which is the food prepared by the leaves is used by the plants for their daily activities. The extra food gets stored as starch in. Okay, so there are options A, roots, B, stems, C, fruits, and D, all of these. So let us see the explanation of this question. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their own food. So the food prepared by the leaves is used by the plants for their daily activities. The extra food gets stored as starch in roots, stems, and fruits. That means the extra food which is left over after the after the plants use for daily activities. So it stored it in roots, stems, and fruits. So our answer would be all of these. Yes, it is correct. Now let us move on to the next question, which is desert oak is a tree that is found in Australia. It has very few leaves. Local people put a thin pipe into the trunk of this tree. So there are options A, drink water, B, eat food, C, take air, and D, all of these. So the question is asking that there is a desert oak tree which is found in Australia. It has very few leaves. Local people put a thin pipe into the trunk of this tree. Why they put a thin pipe into the trunk of this tree is the question asking. So let us see the explanation. So what is desert oak tree? The desert oak is a slow growing tree found in deep sands. Many of the adult trees in the park are likely to be more than 1,000 years old. Young desert oak look like Christmas trees. The adults have a furrowed stalk-like bark that protect them from fire. So the question is asking that in its trunk, local people put a thin pipe. Why? Because the tree absorbs the water and stored it in its trunk. When there was no water in the desert, then the local people used to put a thin pipe into the trunk of this tree and drink the water. So here is our answer for the question. Local people put a thin pipe into the trunk of this tree to drink water. So our answer would be drink water. Let's see. Yes, it is correct. Now let us move on to the next question, which is, I look like an eel, but a bird am I. Chocolate brown color and a strong smell have I. When your toothache makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. I in the above description is options A. Cumin, B. Cardamom, C. Clove, D. Turmeric. Let us see the explanation. So this is what the statement is. So first it look like a nail, but a bird it is. Okay, so it is like a nail, but a bird it is. Chocolate brown color and a strong smell it has. Okay, it has a chocolate brown color and a strong smell. So when it's your toothache, it makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. So whenever it's your toothache, it soothes the pain in your mouth. Yes, it is clove. So our answer is clove. Let's see. Yes, it is correct answer. Next question, which is, different trees have different types of leaves. By looking at its leaves, we can identify a tree. The given figure shows leaves of a particular tree. Identify the tree. So the leaf is, this is the leaf. We have to find that this leaf is of which tree. There are options A. Maple, B. Neem, C. Gulmohar, and D. Pine. So first let us see all the leaves one by one. First, maple leaf. So the maple leaf look like this, and then neem leaf look like this, and then gulmohar leaf looks like this, and last is pine leaf, which looks like this. And according to the question, our given image was this. Yes, it matches to the pine leaf. So our answer is pine leaf. Let us see. Yes, it is the correct answer. Well done. We have completed all the questions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.